Bananas are often thought of as a snack or smoothie base, but did you know they can offer even more benefits when boiled with vinegar? This unique combination unlocks surprising health perks that may just transform your mornings. Forget your usual coffee or tea, there's a new morning ritual that's taking the wellness world by storm. And it starts with two simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. We're talking about the incredible concoction of boiled banana and vinegar. It might sound unusual, even a little strange, but stick with us. This powerful drink is packed with nutrients that can kickstart your day in ways you never imagined. From boosting your energy levels to supporting your digestive health, the results are truly astonishing. So if you're ready to discover a simple trick that could revolutionize your daily routine, keep watching. Let's dive right into why this combination is so potent. Bananas are a well-known source of potassium, a crucial electrolyte that helps regulate fluid balance, muscle contractions, and nerve signals. But they're also rich in magnesium, which plays a vital role in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including energy production and stress reduction. When you boil a banana, especially with the peel on, you're helping to release these powerful minerals into the water, creating a nutrient-dense broth. Now, let's talk about the vinegar. We recommend using apple cider vinegar with the mother, which contains beneficial bacteria, enzymes, and proteins. Acetic acid, the main component of vinegar, has been studied for its potential to aid in blood sugar control and support weight management. It can help improve insulin sensitivity and slow down the rate at which your stomach empties, promoting a feeling of fullness and preventing those mid-morning snack cravings. When you combine the mineral-rich banana water with the metabolic benefits of apple cider vinegar, you create a synergistic elixir that sets your body up for success. So what exactly happens when you start your day with this drink? One of the first things you'll likely notice is a significant boost in natural, sustained energy. Unlike the jittery rush from caffeine, this drink provides a steady stream of fuel. The potassium from the banana helps prevent fatigue and muscle cramps, while the B vitamins support your body's ability to convert food into energy. This means you can say goodbye to that dreaded mid-morning slump and stay productive and focused throughout the day. Another remarkable benefit lies in its impact on your digestive system. The combination of soluble fiber from the banana and the probiotics from the apple cider vinegar works wonders for your gut health. This duo helps to promote the growth of good bacteria, aiding in smoother digestion and reducing issues like bloating and constipation. Starting your morning with this drink helps to gently cleanse your system and prepare your digestive tract for the day ahead, leading to better nutrient absorption from the foods you eat later. Furthermore, this morning tonic can be a game changer for your immune system. Bananas contain vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage, while apple cider vinegar possesses antimicrobial properties that can help fight off pathogens. By consuming this drink regularly, you're providing your body with a daily dose of immune-supporting compounds, helping to fortify your natural defenses and keep you feeling your best, especially during seasonal changes. Preparing this powerful morning drink is incredibly simple. All you need is one organic banana, a tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar, and about 2 cups of water. Start by thoroughly washing the banana. You can choose to leave the peel on for maximum nutrient extraction, but make sure it's organic to avoid pesticides. Cut the ends off the banana and slice it, peel and all, into a small pot. Add the water and bring it to a boil. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. After simmering, strain the liquid into a mug, discarding the banana pieces, or you can eat them separately. Allow the banana water to cool down to a warm, drinkable temperature. It's important not to add the vinegar while the water is boiling hot, as this can destroy the beneficial enzymes and probiotics. Once it's cooled slightly, stir in your tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. For a little extra flavor, you can add a dash of cinnamon or a small teaspoon of raw honey. Drink this on an empty stomach first thing in the morning to reap the full benefits and start your day on a vibrant, healthy note.